Hey guys, I am Aaron of Alaba. Today I'm in the Scottish borders. This place behind me is called St Mary's Loch. Just along the coast here is one of Scotland's largest waterfalls. Stay tuned to see more. And here she is, my friends, the Grey Mare's Tail. A 60-metre drop to the wee gorge. Oh, what a beautiful place. What a beautiful spot. Oi. Bridge is broken. We've got quite a lot of cliff drop underneath us at the side here. And all the way up you'll get to the 60-metre cascade. Got a wee surprise in store, because just round the corner there's a much lesser known waterfall, as it's much smaller. But I am going to give you a wee show of that waterfall, because the Grey Mare's Tail is super popular with tourists. If you look up the side here, you might see all these people going up the waterfall to have a little wonder. So stay tuned and you'll see another beautiful spot. Here it begins, the first little waterfall, and the magic will go on all the way down there. Guys, is absolute magic, eh? Boy, I'll give you a full 360 view. We'll go straight into this gorge. Something quite epic. I wish you could be here, because I'm sure the camera can't show you just how epic it truly is. Woo! For me guys, I think since I was a little boy I've loved the waterfalls. I think they represent endlessness. As the water will not stop here. From time to time it might be less, it might be more. But one thing's for sure, it's not going to end. So I hope you enjoyed today's wee video guys. Some waterfall hunting, might do some more in the future. If you like this video, give it a wee thumbs up. Subscribe to it, share it with your buddies. And I am going to enjoy the rest of my day. See you the next time. Bye bye. Scotland is the land of water. Ireland they call the land of milk and honey. Well, paddy fucks. Damn, why did I swear? It's gonna be good.